going to be sitting on a bench. And I also wanted them to be a little bit more realistic than our typical character. So he's a little bit more true to a lifelike giraffe than the more characterized ones that we would typically do.
On some seaweed that goes along with coral and a pirate chest. It's multiple pieces of foam. They were rectangles of foam that were glued together. Some of the shells I carved out of foam separately and glued on, and then some of them are cast items that we make.
I am working on a leopard. So what I like to do is I like to have the real animal in front of me and then also a reference of a previous character that we've done of the same. You're not doing a copy of a copy, you're doing sort of a combination of both.